What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment strategy where a company doesn't hold inventory of the goods it sells. Instead, to fulfill orders, the seller buys inventory as required from a third party, typically a wholesaler or manufacturer. The selling merchant serves just as an intermediary, which is the main distinction between dropshipping and the conventional retail business. What is a dropshipper? A dropshipper is an individual or company that implements the dropshipping model, which entails purchasing inventory and fulfilling logistics from a third party rather than keeping inventory and handling shipping and receiving themselves. A dropshipping operation may be run by dozens of people or a single business owner because dropshipping depends on a third-party provider to handle inventory warehousing and order fulfillment. How does dropshipping work? In essence, dropshipping is a partnership between a supplier and a store that serves customers. There are two typical methods for implementing a dropshipping company strategy. The first is to use a supplier database to independently discover one or more wholesale suppliers in North America, or any place else in the world. Popular online supplier databases include Worldwide Brands, Salehu, and AliExpress. Use an app that connects you and your store to thousands of suppliers if you don't care about finding suppliers for every product you want to sell. We suggest Deesers, a Shopify tool that aids small company owners in finding things to sell, for this. By using Deesers, you can browse AliExpress and instantly import any items that catch your eye to Deesers, which is linked to your Shopify site. After a consumer makes a purchase, you can complete their order through the Deesers app. Thankfully, Deesers automate a large portion of the dropshipping procedure. All you have to do, as the store owner, is double-check that the information is accurate before pressing the order button. The buyer, wherever they may be in the globe, receives the merchandise directly from the AliExpress supplier. Dropshipping is frequently thought of be a simple, quick, rich strategy. Yet it isn't. It requires commitment to get your startup up and operating and successful, just like any other e-commerce website. Benefits of dropshipping. Here are a few other reasons why dropshipping is such a popular e-commerce business model for both large and small businesses. 1. Less upfront capital required. 2. Easy to start. 3. Low overhead. 4. Flexible location. 5. Wide selection of products to sell. 6. Easier to test. 7. Easier to scale. Drawbacks of dropshipping. 1. Low profit margins. 2. Inventory issues. 3. Shipping complexities. 4. Supplier errors. 5. Limited customization and branding.